What drew me to the design was the roof lines of this house. What I was trying to do in this house was make it timeless. You know, a house like this, it's got one style and that's it. I was having trouble nailing contractors down. The price variance was all over the board. So to go the way I did with buying a package, I was able to get the lockup without going to 10 different vendors. It just cut out a whole bunch of steps for me as a builder. It made it a lot simpler. The builders that built this house, the framers, everybody was impressed with the quality of the lumber that we got. In a house like this, it's important because you already have a tough build. It definitely makes a big difference in the finishing. If you've got not so great lumber to build with, and your end product ends up that way. Strangers have stopped by and thought we're building a winery at one point. Lots of houses have high ceilings, and I thought, what could I do that just is out of character for the rest of the house that makes it kind of unique and pop? And my idea was to put a 40-inch cedar tree in there. And I think it catches people's eye. Not too many times you have a 40-inch cedar tree up through the house. Well, I've got 160 acres here. It was just natural to be facing the fields, And every night you get a beautiful sunset here. It kind of speaks for itself.